Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Taurus. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So, these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Taurus. So let's start with these cards here. We have Ace of Air, Fool, and Hierophant. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are confident about certain things and you have your dreams or you have your goals, and you are quite cheerful about certain things, and you are wishing that certain things will come in your life, guys, may manifest or may change. So some kind of expectation that anything is possible, whatever you dream of. But you need to understand that everything happens, situation changes one thing at a time, guys, maybe. So it takes its own time, maybe at that divine appropriate timing, everything is going to go in the right way, guys, for you, Taurus. But you are cheerful about something, happy, and you may feel truly inspired and you may be rushing to make some changes or make some decisions today in your work or in your relationship. For some of you guys, it may make things go into some kind of difficulty today. So you need to be really careful. If you are in the verge of making some important choices, important decisions for yourself, maybe about your work or about your relationship, you need to wait. But circumstances are pushing you some kind of change. Your circumstances are gaining momentum and you are pushed to make some choices today, but it should not be impulsive choices, Taurus. So even in this relationship, you must think and decide for yourself. Think clearly, then make that choice. Maybe impulsive choices are not going to work well for you guys, and you may see some coincidences today. Just when you are planning to call this person, they themselves may call you, or they themselves may come to meet you when you are thinking of meeting them. So some kind of coincidences, something, what to say, you may realize that there is a higher power working in your life, something arranging things for you, making your circumstance into a particular situation. So it may be destiny or fate, whatever you call it. That is the reason for things going in a particular way. Maybe on certain things you are quite happy, Taurus, but maybe on certain things you feel really stressed or worried. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. You have Queen of Water. So with this card, guys, maybe this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So you are really happy in this relationship, happy for the way things are going with this person, but maybe you would have had your share of troubles, maybe some misunderstandings or something was not good. But today you have realized what was the mistake, or what was the reason for troubles, and you want to make some changes, maybe changes to yourself, change the way you are today, or this may be their energy, maybe they are changing for you or changing for this love. So some kind of positive transformation, healing and reconciliation is what I see, guys, Taurus. So if you are in some troubles or some negative circumstance in your relationship, this relationship is surely going to change positively, guys. So for your career situation, Taurus, we have 10 of air. So certain things may work for you, guys, certain decisions may not, but if something is not working, you need not feel sad or stressed. It is giving you some experience and you are going to learn so much from that. And you should not forget, rejection is God's way of protection. So whatever was not working will be replaced by something much better, something that will be much good for you, and you no longer feel sad for that, sad for whatever you have lost. So whatever new opportunities are coming your way, you need to appreciate that and move forward with only happiness and only the lessons you have learnt, not with that sadness thinking of the past, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. That is the reading for you all today, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances, you have faced a lot in your life. You have gone through a lot of difficulties, gone through a lot of trials, and you have endured confusion and uncertainty in your life for many years, and you were you were looking for an oasis, that freedom and relief all along. So the answers you seek or the freedom you look for is not far away, guys, and it is coming towards you, and you are going to get that clarity and happiness very soon. So you need not worry or you need not feel sad anymore. And this oracle comes with a special guidance, guys. Whatever you were going through, maybe you were going through a lot of pain, difficulty, and you were crying. Whatever it was, your sadness or all that, stress, pain is going to be the foundation for something that is going to be, changing or transforming in your life. And your life is divinely aligned and you are going to be more alive than before. So you must be prepared to let your old version of yourself just leave you. And what does that mean? What does that mean to say that we are letting that old version go away? It just means that letting go of the opinions or doubts, despair and fears that we have in our life. And A great transformation is coming your way, guys. So you can rest assured, be happy for that. And this oracle also comes with a special guidance regarding divine timing. So, all your dreams and goals, whatever you had, your time is fast approaching. And maybe you are in that greatest confusion of your life or greatest darkness. But don't forget that deepest darkness of the night is the closest to the newest dawn. So you should not forget that, and don't turn back, don't turn yourself away from progress. So even your next step will be something breathtaking, or it may be something like a breakthrough in your life, guys. So you should not forget that. So at that appropriate timing, whatever is supposed to be yours will always be yours, and it is coming towards you. And this is the time for positive transformation in your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, so in your relationship or in your career or personal life, great changes are coming towards you, guys. You should not forget that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it is Yang. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today you are in that, you are having that creative power to make things happen, and you are the one who will make the right actions. So maybe in this relationship or in your personal life, you need to decide on something, or you need to take up some activity. There is no one better than you for that job, guys. So you have that power and energy to propel forward in your life, and this is the perfect time for you to act. And circumstances are supporting your action. And today in this relationship, maybe if you are interested in this person, if you are thinking of marriage or proposal, it is okay to make the first move. Trust that you will know where you are and where your relationship stands, guys. So in the matters of this relationship, there is movement towards that highest good. So you can move forward with assurance. Be assured that whatever activity you do is going to be the right thing for you, and passion is in the air, love is in the air, and it is the time to dance to the tune of love. So it is time to take the lead in this relationship right now. So if you are thinking of marriage or proposal, commitment, you can take that first step towards that in this connection, and that is going to work in your favor, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.